Dear brothers and sisters, coronavirus will be with many. A prisoner who was sentenced to death in USA was told much in advance by the scientists that he will not be hanged, but a poisonous snake will be the cause of his death. When the prisoner was shown a venomous poisonous snake, his eyes were closed with a cloth and he was not bitten by the snake. Rather, just two safety pins were pierced to his body. Interestingly, within few minutes, he died. What was the cause? The post-mortem revealed that the prisoner's body was full of venomous poison, and that poison resembled the snake's venom. From where did the prisoner get this poison? It all shows the poison was produced by his own body due to mental trauma. Every decision that you make produces positive or negative energy. Accordingly, your body produces hormones, and the root cause of 90% of illness is the energy generated by negative thoughts. Today, man is burning himself with his own wrong thoughts and destroying himself. From 5 to 80 years, man die of corona negative from corona positive. But don't go by the statistics. The people who are at home are very much safe. Today, the message for you all: have positive thoughts, be reconciled with one another, forgive one another, don't harbor anger, and you will have happy, healthy life. With these words, I would like to say that create positive thoughts in you. As we priest wish you all the best, we ask you to have joyful, happy family life and build up a very good, positive, joyful community in your parish. Today, we wish to tell you the parish is very much improving with lot of development taken place, insisting on Bible studies conducted by Jacinta teacher and being the part of the parish activity. The intercessory prayer conducted by the Vice President of the Parish Council, Colin Fonseca, and others. And further up, very many animators building up the communities in the parish will be the sign that you are marching towards gradually into the community of secular Franciscan order in this Diocese of Bombay. May you be the model for others while you are under the Franciscan Capuchin umbrella, that you will build up very joyful, peaceful community to be the model for others. May God bless you. Thank you. All the best for all that you have done. May God be with you.